Everyone, my name is Brent, and this is Live Free and Tool On, and do we have something special for you today? If you can see right through here, this is the ArkPro from OLight, and it is brand new. And if you just take a quick little look right here, you're going to see something pretty special about it, and that is it's modeled after a Tesla. At least that's what I'm saying, because it has some pretty incredible styling. Now, a couple things you need to know about this. This is literally milled out of a solid block of aluminum or aluminum. Now, they hollow out the back right here, and then they go right in and they just add all the electronics and everything there. You can charge it either on the bottom right through here, and this is via a magnetic charger, or, and this was actually my biggest critical thing that I've had of all the OLights, is that they have that magnetic charger, and it's called a CMM charger. Now, the reason why I don't like it is because it's really specific to the light. But on this one, and if you take a look right here, you can see that right through there. It has a USB-C charger, USB-C type charger right there, and I am so happy to see that. So you have two different methods, not just one, in order to charge this. Now, if we take another little trip around the back, you're going to see something very interesting. So if I put my hand up here, you are going to see that this belt clip has really that U shape. And when it has that U shape, that means it can go into your pocket just on the back side of it. But then also this little clip right here, and it may be hard to see, but that little clip right there, that means it can slide right onto a hat, and you can use it as a lamp that goes on your hat. And it works out really, really good, because this right here, it's light. It works out great, and it's awesome. Now, this has so many different functionalities on it. We're going to go through each of the functionalities, but I had to get that out of the way because it's really important to know what you're getting into. And with this particular light right here, it's IPX7 rated, so you're not going to get it wet and expect it to be damaged and all that good stuff right there. So I'm out here at nighttime. I always test my lights out at nighttime. Now, what is the maximum lumens? Well, it has 1500 maximum lumens, but the controllability on this is absolutely incredible. So as an EDC, it's going to be awesome. What I need to do to show this to you is, let's go ahead and show you the light. So as we turn this on, let's go ahead and click this center button right here. Oh, and you're going to see lights light up. This is the battery on this side, and this is the intensity on this side. Now, as you see, this is actually the black light, which kind of brings me to one of my points. Whenever you take a look at this, OLight really sends you some cool stuff whenever you buy their, their products and stuff like that. I've got a medallion. Now, if you look right here, this is a collectible trading card that they gave me, and it's pretty cool, getting focused. But if you shine a black light on it, something really cool happens. You can see that it has invisible ink that only reacts whenever you shine a light on it, a black light or ultraviolet light on it. That is so cool. So that's one of the cool things that you can try with this bad boy right here. It feels great on the hand. On the side of it right here, has great machined grips on the side of it, and it's super hard to see, but if I put my hand here, maybe you can see it. All right, it's really bright. No, it's at the bottom. All right, so that's all you have for the black light. Now we're going to take a look here. Let's switch, and all you have to do is switch. Is we're just going to pop that little twist light over, so you can see again, it's showing you the battery and what level we're on here. So we're going to press and hold. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is considered your regular flashlight, more like your floodlight, if you would. You can see it's really omnidirectional. I'm lighting up the entire sea container, but this is only about 1,000 lumens. What if I wanted to go to 1,500? All I have to do is double tap this twice. Ready? That's 1,500 lumens. Now double tap it again. Now it goes back down to a lower setting. Double tap. Look how bright that is. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. All right, let's go to the next setting. Okay, we're back down to a lower setting. So we're just going to flip the dial again. Just like that. And now this is a spotlight. That's pretty incredible, right? Let's press and hold like we did before. Press and hold. 3 settings again. All right, we're here. Now we're going to double tap it like we did before. 1500 lumens again, but it's more focused. Now how I need to show this to you is a little bit different, but let's go down to the lower setting. Lower setting. Now what I do want to show you is over here, come into focus. If I press this button, it's a laser, and you can do a laser with a light. That's pretty incredible. Or if I just turn off the light and I want to hold the laser, I am making the laser kind of activate through here. It's hard for the camera to see, but that is the laser. But if I turn the light on, I can put the laser right in the center, and it's very precise, it's very accurate, and it's very strong. So you have so many different settings on here. It's absolutely incredible. Now, what if I tap it 3 times? It's a strobe. All right, so that's the highest setting that we're going to get. Let's go turbo. There we go. Look at that. Look at that setting. It's a little misty, but you can see how awesome that is. Now let's switch to the spotlight. Ready? All right, it's on low setting. Go up 1. Spotlight's working pretty good, huh? Go up to the higher setting. You can see how that's doing. You can see it. Now I'm about almost 80 feet from the trees there. See to the very top. Let's go to turbo. Look at that intensity. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? This is crazy. Now there is one other thing I wanted to show you about this light. If I press and hold this button right here, you can see that. This is called moonlight, and it only has just a few lumens coming out of here. You can see on my hand. I'm going to try and show you. And really what that is going to do is stay on for 14 days, almost 15 days. Yeah, and that's because this has a 2000 milliamp hour battery built inside it. So it's going to last. So if you keep this as an everyday carry, if you put it in your bag, it's going to last a long time. All right, everyone, so that's it for this amazing light from OLight. I've got to tell you, I am absolutely impressed, and I am so grateful that they improved upon what they had, and they put the right charger here, right? They put the charger that makes the most sense for this particular tool. And if you don't have the right charger in place, then people aren't going to buy it. But now that you have the USB-C, this is my new daily carry. Now, interestingly enough, 1500 lumens doesn't seem like a lot, but once you put the focus on there and you put the spotlight, that right there is amazing. Then you can have your floodlight and you can illuminate ambience, right? A whole area. That's awesome. And it can illuminate the entire side of a building. It can go up to 100 feet very easily. In fact, it can go up to a lot further than that. But you have so many different things between the moonlight, between the strobes, between the turbo, between the typical controllability under the 3 different levels. This right here is absolutely amazing. My name is Brent. This has been Live Free and Tool, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, go down below, right? Go down below and check this out. Click on the link below, right? Make sure that you are checking this out because you need to make the decision on your own. I'm not out here making the decision for you. I'm trying to demonstrate the really, really cool stuff that it's able to do so that you can make your own decision. And when you get technology like this, right? The technology like this is the type of technology that you want to see. You want to see competitiveness in the field. You want to see innovation. You want to see progress. You want to see stuff last a lot longer. And that's exactly what this does. Head down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Don't forget all that good stuff. Share the video and all that great stuff. But make the decision on your own. And I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Man, what a cool light. See ya.
you.